Hey, how's it going? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can shut down, restart, or log out of your computer at any time you set. So this is possible with an application called Ninja Shutdown 3.0. I'll add a link in the description so you can download this application. Once you download it, you're going to get a zip file that looks like this. Just go ahead and extract the zip file, and you're going to get a folder like this. And inside of that folder, you're going to have some instructions on how to use the Ninja Shutdown app. If you still need further clarification after watching this video, feel free to check that out. And then you're going to see the application. Now, because this is a portable application, you don't actually have to install anything. So if we open up Ninja Shutdown, we can see that the interface looks similar to this, or looks like this. And basically it's pretty self-explanatory. All you have to do is enter the time that you want your computer to shut down or restart or log off. And once you do that, you're going to hit set, and that's it. So at 3:13 p.m. my computer will automatically shut down. Now, one caveat to using this application is that you can't actually close out of the application. You can click hide or minimize the screen to make it go in the background, but if you click exit or close out of the application, it's not going to work, and it's not going to shut down or restart your computer like you want it to. Another cool feature of this application is the online mode. So if we go to the online mode tab, you'll see a screen like this. To use the online mode, all you have to do is click on create new account. It's going to take you to the website where it's going to ask you to put in your email and then create a password, and then it's going to give you a member pin. Once you get the member pin, go ahead and plug it in here and click validate. And what that allows you to do is shut down your computer wirelessly. So let's say I'm watching TV or I'm watching Netflix on my computer from bed, and I don't want to get up to set up the application on my computer. I can just go to this website, log into my account, and set the shutdown time all from my phone or tablet while I'm laying in bed. So completely wireless, and I think that was a cool feature that this application has. So if you guys have any questions on how to use this application, feel free to leave a comment in the comments section below. If not, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.